goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible, with a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical, inadmissible in my physical. Habitual, it's inexplicable.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Have Fake Hair Review. So today I'm going to be reviewing one of the new Zury Sis ponytail units. This is called the Ibae or Ibae. I got it in the color RT 2730. It has high heat up to 400 degrees. It's a lace front, has a hand-tied part. It comes in a pre-ponytailed style. It says it's super sleek, no wax stick, no gel, no flyaways. So this is what the box is looking like. So let's take this out of the pack and see what it looks like. So straight out of the box, this is what Ibae is looking like. It's really cute because it has this hair like wrapped around the ponytail, which I like, and it is removable. It has these nice like romance curls going on. This is what the hairline looks like. It comes with baby hairs all around the crown. It comes with this singular side defined parting. But I think when you apply concealer, you can make it look more prevalent. The inside of the cap construction has two combs. One's near the parting, the other one's near your other ear. So two near the ears. A comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It's already feeling like it may be not big head friendly, but I'm going to pop it on and see how it is. So this is what Ibae looks like with the lace still on. Like I suspected, I don't have it adjusted at all, the straps, and it is fitting my head pretty snug, so I do not feel like this is going to be a big head friendly unit, just because it's already kind of pulling. And I feel like if your head were to be any bigger than mine and I have a smaller sized head, you'll probably be struggling with trying to get it to not slide back on your head. I do already like it. It is laying pretty flat and pretty sleek, so I'm just going to cut the lace off, add some concealer, and lay these baby hairs down. Okay guys, so I honestly really like this unit a lot. I like the fact that that ponytail wrap part is removable. So what I did is kind of went in and I tightened up the ponytail because it was pretty tight, but I just wanted it more sleek. So I think that's a really big plus, the fact that it's just a wraparound attachment piece so that you're able to just go in, take it off, redo your ponytail to your liking, and then ponytail it back without any issues. It's a Velcro. It has a Velcro on each end, and also combs so that you could stick it in there and it's secure. And I also really like how this unit looks out. So I think they did a really good job with this unit for the fact that it looks really cute in a sleek ponytail as well as out. It has these nice luscious curls. So let me just show you everything to the front. It's pretty long and it comes below my boobs all the way to about my belly button. This is to the back. Well, this is to the side, sorry. And this is to the back. This unit, the texture on it is very much Yaki, which I love. I did experience some tingling and some shedding, but nothing extreme or overwhelming. The thickness of it is amazing, not only in the ponytail, but the more you take it out and start to finger comb it, you can actually like feel just the fullness of it, which I love a lot because I'm really a huge fan of big hair. So it has a really nice density, a really nice texture. The baby hairs were not hard at all to get to lay down, and I feel like they did a good job on them. I didn't feel the need to really thin them out. I kind of just swooped them into the hairline. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I think this is a really nice unit if you're looking for something that's cute, for either you want a sleek ponytail look and to still look fabulous while you're out and about, or if you want those big beautiful body curls. This is beautiful. This is definitely a good unit. It's a keeper in my book. So I really hope you guys liked it as much as I do, and I hope to see you soon. If you like this video, just give me a like and subscribe. I'm going to keep coming to you with these new units, and I hope that you guys like them as much as I do. Bye.